Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sunita. I'm from UP. I hope you are doing well and I am doing well too. Friends, today I am going to share with you a story. So without any further delay, let's start the story. Ramu is a boy. He lives in the village. He is hard working boy. He works in the field and he goes to school every day. He wakes up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Then he go to his field to work there. He comes at his homes and then he prepared food for himself. Then he get ready for his school. He goes everyday school. He complete his work on time. One day he gives test and he get very less mark. When he see the marks, he get confused because he solved all the questions. However, he got very less mark. He didn't get good marks. He thought, where I made a mistake. Then he realized I solved all the questions, but I made a mistake little bit. That's why I got less mark. After that day, he works hard and hard. Every day he works hard. He focused on his dream. He focused on his goals. And one day he gave a test. And in that test, he got very less mark. Again. Then he again thought, why I got very less marks? Why? Every day I used to work hard. However, I got very less mark. Why? Every time he is thinking, every time he was thinking at right now, every time he is thinking, why I am not improving myself? Every day I am working hard. He keeps thinking. Then he realized I should work hard. I worked hard that time, but at right now I should work hard. When I work hard, maybe I will get good marks. Then he woke up at 3 o'clock and then he studied about 2 hours. Again, the test happened and he gave test and he gave test and he got good marks. Then he realized I I failed that time and at right now I got good marks. It means I should try every time. I practice every time. When I practice every time, I I improve. It means, so moral of this story is Every time we should work hard. Every time we can't give up. So yeah, you are learning English and I am learning English. So I can't give up. Every day we learn something new and one day we will become success. Bye bye.